Are you ready to turn your passion into a rewarding career? London School of Planning and Management is here to help you make it happen. With our diverse range of courses tailored to your interests, you can transform your passion into a fulfilling career. Whether you're passionate about business, marketing, finance, or any other field, we have the expertise and resources to support your journey. Our expert-led courses provide the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in your chosen industry. Join us and unlock your potential. Pursue your passion with LSPM and take the first step towards a career you love. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.